Okay, here's our other heads. These are our later heads. These are 58 to 62 heads, and somewhere in the late 57 they probably went to them also, but not sure exactly when. This is the 56 head. That's the early head. So this is your small fin fed head early. So this is 56 and early mid 57. Then they came out with a number that's on the inside of the head, and there's no number on the outside anymore. See how it's on the outside? Now there's nothing. So number got put on the inside, and they're all the same on the inside. And then the other thing is these are big fin heads, not small fin heads. So this is when you lay them together. There's the front head at. I have a front head. Here's the front head way over here. So when you look at it, I figure I get a broken one. Where's the front head? It's not broken. That's hard to come by. Broken. There's a non-broken front head. Okay, I found it. See, I actually have one. So if you look at the fins, compared to your small fin head, the big fin head, you can see how it's got another finger worth of fin over here. See, that's only one finger of fin. See, this has got more fin on the outside of it. It also has more fin up through here. See, this all angles down like that. It's like that. This one goes straight across. So, and over here, same thing. More finning all the way around the whole head. The head's physically the same size on everything. It's just got more finning. So that's a difference. So the biggest thing you tell them apart is numbers on the inside and the outside. So this one's on the outside, and this one has nothing on the outside, so the number's on the inside. So those are your big changes. And there's changes in these things too. So that's that one. Okay, so that's your difference between those fins. Now, when we look at the ports are basically the same design. Of course, I'm looking at a ported head. That one's ported too, though, so it's not like we're different. Trying to find stuff that's ported around here is hard to do. People want to go fast, they port their stuff. There's one that's ported too. Yeah, these are all been ported. Yeah, this one hasn't been ported. Yeah, this one's stock. So here's your stock head, early head, late head. So you can see how it goes around like that. See how this one here is more opened up. Of course, this is a different head, so it's not even comparable. We're looking for a front head that hasn't been ported. Good luck on that. Maybe this one exhaust. Now my heads are going to be all mixed up now, see? Just because I'm going to look at ports right now. Okay, so there is a non-ported head versus a ported head. And see, this one here is cut different anyway. See, it's a 56 head early. So look how deep this port is. See how that's on machine surface here, and that's machined right through here from the factory. Okay, this is the same head. Look at it. It's like an early head where it's got a big chunk in it. So that's different. So this head here, it doesn't have the big chunk in the inside of it. On the exhaust, you can see how they got the chunks too. So I thought on the other ones, all these ports, all of these had the chunk in the exhaust, but obviously that one didn't. Thought we went through all that already, but yeah, it's hard to get good tech help. See, these all have the chunkiness right here. See, this one doesn't have it either. These are what, the 56 heads? What's this head over here? This is a 56 head too. This is a 56 head also. Damn it, they're two different heads, the same thing. Unported and ported. Great. Have to add that to the other video. Wonderful. So if you take the one that has the shitty thing in the inside of it. Oh, this is the other side. Okay. Yeah, see that has the same on that cylinder. So the front head is the one that doesn't have it, I guess. Except this one's a rear head, it doesn't have it either. I don't know. Too many variables. Harley made changes. That's the same year there too. We'll go back and look at that one. Alright, so anyway, the ports are basically the same on these things, give or take a little bit. Okay, so right now we got a complete clusterfuck going on here. So, okay, these heads here, I don't know what year they are. The date code's easy right here. These don't have any date codes on them. So I don't know if these are early production, late production, or over-the-counter replacement heads. They don't have date codes on them. These other heads here, see has a date code right here? This is a 459 head. This head was made in 59. I don't know if this is early or late. I can't see a difference in the heads. They went to a chamfered bolt hole. See these ones here are more square cut, even though this one has a light chamfer to it. So it's making a liar out of me. Just goes to show you they're not all the same. See, these ones are square cut, no chamfer. So all of these late heads have the chamfer in them. Now what that does, it takes the stress off of the gasket, so the gasket will actually pull down evenly, and the star won't get tight right here and then be loose, do all this other stuff, make it blow. So that's one thing they did, because when you pull on a thread, it pulls up a little bit, and that will take away some of your torque. Not the torque on the bolt, but the sealing pressure on the gasket will change. So that's one thing they did. So all of these late heads are chamfered, and obviously that one over there is too. So that must be a later production 56 head. Like I said, they went all the way, 57 is your switch year, so somewhere in 57 they switched. So anyway, these unmarked heads, I don't know what they are. So they're common, and when they are what they are. So which one was not marked? This one's the 59 head. Let's put it back over here where it belongs. The 59 section. Quit confusing me. These are 58. This is the other 59. Nope, that's the marked one. Where's the other one now? See, I had these all laid out. Until I screwed myself up, I had everything worked out good. There's the other 59 head right there. These are 58 heads. See, I do not have every head they make. Not here. I probably do most all of them, I bet. But not here. There's only 26 heads here right now. I gotta buy some more, I'll get more samples. Alright, so I don't know what year these ones are, because they're not marked. All I know is they're Harley heads, and they all have the same basic shape and sizes to them, but there are some differences I found. The biggest thing I find different on these things is the fin. So, see these ones here, they all look the same how they're made, fin-wise. So they all have the same basic shape, the height, and all that. So all of these heads have the same thing. So these are all your question mark heads. And then you come across this one. So we don't know what it is, question mark, no date code. But, fin change. See the fins are cut off, 3 of them, these ones are not. They come sharp. You know, these ones are straight across, these ones are at a slight angle but even. This one drops down for those 3. So this one here doesn't do that, and that's pretty rare. I don't have very many that are like this. And this is an unmarked one, so I don't know what year it is. I don't know if it's early production, you know, is that a 57 first 6-month head? Or is that is that a Harley replacement head made all the way up into the 70s? Who knows? I don't know. You can still buy parts over the counter for replacement parts, even though they quit making the bike in 65. You can still buy parts for 10 years later pretty easily. You could probably buy brand new pads up in the later 70s, I bet, from Harley. But so this is one of the things I found different. Big change there. Now the port wise, it looks the same. See how it gets real thin right there, thin right there. The angle is real deep. Deep. This one's cut a little bit deeper on the back side. Yeah, it's still there, but both of these have been ported, so you know you can't see it's stock. They both had the boss in there. That one got cut away, but you can see it was in there. This one's still in there. So other than that, they look identical. You know, that's just there.